Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're making brats in the crock. And also some jalapeno sausage. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're going to be doing some sausage in the crock pot. It's cheap, easy. As you can see, the sausage, let's say $9. Green peppers and onions, $2. Some potatoes, another $2, $3. Some seasoning, some canola oil spray. But this is pretty cheap, pretty easy to make. I got my crock pot on low. On low, it's going to take you between 8 and 9 hours. On high, about 4 to 5. It all depends on how well you want your potatoes done. Now you can use apple juice, which I'm out of, some water, some beer. I'm using some Bush NA. Let me put a little bit of beer on there. Just enough to cover the bottom. Give it a little steam to get going. Now these are just frozen green peppers and onions and red peppers. Okay. Use as much or as little as you want. Put some potatoes in. I think I had about 7 or 8 cups in there. Let's go ahead, cut open our sausage. I'm sorry, cut open the sausage package, I should say. Now with this meal, I think we figured it out when I said the prices. It's probably around 15 bucks. But you can serve, well, if you give everybody 2 sausages, you can serve 5 people. So it's $3 a person. If you cut it down to 1 sausage per person, well, it's going to be half that. Go ahead, add some good peppers and onions. Add some more potatoes. There we go. Add some more sausage. Now I know some people are going to ask if Blue Dog gets any of this or if I'm going to let him try it, see if he approves of it. The answer is no. Just due to the fact it's going to be way too spicy for him. Now as I was talking, I should have added some of this already. This is just Weber dry rub. Just some store-bought stuff. Nothing fancy. You can use seasoning if you want to. Or just leave it plain. Whatever your little heart desires. Only got a little bit of green peppers and onions left. I'm sorry, peppers and onions, I guess I should say. So I'm just put the rest in there. Like I said, you don't have to use that much. Just use whatever you want. You can use fresh peppers and onions. You know, for me, I just like buying it frozen. It's already chopped up, all ready to go. And trust me, I know some of these pieces look really big, but as it cooks, they're going to shrink. Cover this up and we'll come back and check it in about 8 hours or so. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. Ooh, That is hot. As you can see, our sausage is done. Now, if you wonder why I did them in layers, it's a couple different reasons. One, it keeps the jalapeno or jalapeno sausage separate from the brats. Another reason is when I take out a brat, get stuff to roll, put the peppers on there, little Southwest hot mustard on your bun, and you have a sandwich. You can serve your potatoes on the side. Or, if you want to serve everything together, take a little bit of rice, your sausage, your peppers, and potatoes. There's a lot of different options with this meal. And like I said, it's cheap and you can serve a bunch of different people with it. You know, what is that, 5, 10? It's cheap, it's easy. You can help a lot of people out with it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Do me a favor, click on the subscribe button. As always, thank you for watching.